I'm at Elizabeth Gaskell house today. I've got a wedding shoot here on Friday. I'm just going to do a little quick walking tour of the outside of the property. It's quite a beautiful place. It was renovated with lottery money and is now open to the public. And it's also a wedding venue. I'm not going to go inside. I've just been inside for a recce, but there are public in there at the moment, and I've requested me not to film. So I'm just going to do a quick recce on the outside. So anyone who's interested in visiting here can get an idea what it looks like, and I'll pass on some information the wedding coordinator Lucy just passed on to me. So there is an upstairs bedroom that is open for the couple to have access to prior to the wedding for any wedding preparations. It's not open to the public, so not open to the rest of the guests at that point. The building is closed to the public when there's a wedding on. So in this room here is a library, which is phenomenally beautiful for photos. I've been doing quite a few photographs there. This side room here, that's currently open for general view of with the public at the moment, will be closed for the wedding. They use it as a storage area. I'll just walk you through the gardens. In these rooms here and here, this is where the ceremony will be taking place. So once the wedding has happened and they then make the exit, they go back into the main foyer area, where they serve clear liquid drinks only. That's obviously to stop any spillages, etc. It's quite a pretty little area for photos. So any photographers out there wanting to know what this place looks like, this is what you can expect. Okay, so once the drink reception has been had, there is a downstairs area down here, which would have been the old kitchens, where they're going to set up food and drinks and a bar. Now, once they've set that up, the upstairs, this floor and this floor, then off. You can't, guests can't access that area. The couple can, with permission from the venue, but they don't want people taking food and drink up there, so that's why. Now this little area looks beautiful for photos. We've built this little walk through here. That is just amazing. You're pretty much transported into not the centre of Manchester. It's very, very pretty here. And then there is car parking here for suppliers. And even here in the car park, this makes an absolutely fantastic background. Okay, the car park does get locked here after 6 o'clock. So once the guests exit, it will be the car park will be locked. So you've got street parking to consider. And I'll just walk back through and conclude. I will make another video on the wedding day itself, just showing the inside and how it's laid out for a wedding. But as you can see, the grounds themselves are very, very pretty. It's not sunny today. It's a bit overcast, and it has been raining. But even so, you've just got a blanket of trees here at the back. You've got no big ugly buildings really. Every kind of area is a good background for a photographer to use on a wedding. So I'll leave you there. That's the end of today's video. This is Elizabeth Gaskell house, and if you like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. It helps, and it lets other people who are interested in this content, it puts it out there on YouTube for everyone to see. Thanks for watching.